Hey guys, unboxing and doing a review on this TMS wood stove I bought. Came in this box, so I'm gonna run through everything that it came in quick. This is the wood stove right here. Everything comes inside here. This is the door for it. I don't really like this handle, but I can modify this. This is the vent here that has one here and one in the back. So it's a well built stove. It's not heavy. They have one in the back also here. Air vent. These are the stack pipes. Comes with some screws and these bolts here, wing bolts, Allen key, and some pins, the cotter pins. Like this is the rack you put on top here, and you can hold it like this, fold it and hold it like a handle. These are the legs, and it comes with this cleaner and this other one to move the logs around. It's a small stove, not that small. It has a tray inside welded on. And before you this is outdoor use only, and you want to burn out the paint when you light it up. Let it burn out, so the paint and the fumes, all of that, can burn out before you put it in your tent, your hot tent, or wherever you're gonna use it. Easy setup. It doesn't come with a manual because this is easy setup, self-explanatory. Just put on the stacks on the top, these two, the tray, the legs, and that's it. Okay guys, so I just did a quick setup for you to see how it is. The legs on, you put the cotter pin or the hooks, the pin here, and these two pipes go on the top here. Just hook them in right here. That's the stack, as you can see. Put it up. I have it set up indoor. I just want to show you guys how it is. And these, you have to put them like this. So not too sure, like this way or this way. They have to hook together with these pipes here. That's the inside. On the bottom also has this slot here, so you can close it and open it to take out the ashes and the coal, whatever. It's a pretty decent sized stove, not bad for the price. I'll put the link in the description where I got it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below. As you can see, it's not too big. It's perfect for camping and outdoor use. And thanks for watching.